Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cybersecurity with Fortinet, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current cybersecurity landscape. Identify all devices connected to your network. Document existing security measures and policies in place. Familiarize yourself with Fortinet's range of products and solutions. Determine which Fortinet solutions align with your organizational needs. Consider FortiGate for robust firewall protection. Explore FortiAnalyzer for detailed network visibility and analysis. Implement FortiClient to ensure endpoint security and compliance. Review FortiWeb for advanced web application security features. Set up FortiSandbox to detect and respond to advanced threats. Integrate Fortinet solutions into your existing network architecture. Leverage FortiManager for easier management of network configurations. Create a centralized security operations center using FortiSOAR. Conduct a risk assessment to highlight vulnerabilities. Establish a strong baseline security policy that suits your organization. Regularly review and update your cybersecurity policies. Train your staff on cybersecurity best practices. Utilize the Fortinet Security Fabric for comprehensive coverage. Enable automation for threat response and remediation. Monitor network traffic continuously for unusual patterns. Set up alerts for suspicious activities using Fortinet's monitoring tools. Conduct regular penetration testing to identify weaknesses. Analyze and act upon the results of security audits. Stay informed about the latest cybersecurity threats and trends. Engage with Fortinet support and community for best practices. Document each step taken to strengthen your cybersecurity posture. Continuously refine your strategies based on real-time feedback. Ultimately, cultivate a culture of cybersecurity awareness in your organization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.